If you are a beginner in FPV drone, this video is exactly for you all. For this, you need FlySky i6 transmitter and receiver and a cable. Plug in the cable in transmitter and another end to the PC. Turn on the transmitter and change the transmitter settings. Go to System Setup. In this, go to RX Setup, turn on PPM output. Now go to FPV Freerider in the PC. In this, go to Calibrate Controller. Now turn on the FPV transmitter and position the pins accordingly. It's calibrated. Now you will see two dots. So if you move the sticks, the dot will move automatically. But here it's not happening. You can see the drone is not responding. We are following a new method. For this you need a FlySky transmitter, receiver, Arduino, pins and Arduino cable. Now take the receiver and connect PPM pin to D2 of the Arduino. Now connect ground to ground of the receiver. Now 5 volt with positive of the receiver. Here hardware connections are done. Now connect the cable and program the Arduino. Here the code is given. Here you have to check in which port the Arduino is connected. Now upload the code and now open the serial monitor. Turn on the transmitter and you will see the change in value from 1000 to 1999. You will see the value changes in all 6 channels. Now open Python ideally. Here go to File, New and paste the code. Here you require two libraries, PySerial and PyVJoy library. Now press Windows R and execute command. Here first check the Python version. Install VJoy library using pyvjoy command. Serial library using PySerial command. Open browser, install VJoy driver using the given link. Here I have already installed. Now complete the setup process and install VJoy driver. Now once completed, now close the browser. Open Python and go to the code. Here we got two libraries. Now run the code. Make sure the port is connected properly and the port is changed. Here I got this error. It is due to the port I plugged in is different. For the reference I am going to Arduino code and checking the port number. So it is number 8. So the same number is changed here. Now go to FPV FreeRider and complete the calibration process. The sticks according to the given diagram as shown. Once the process is completed, you can see the dots are moving with the FlySky. Here now it's calibrated. Now open any mode and you can start learning drone. It will take time and patience, and here you will start your FlySky journey. Thank you.